Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your GoWish account private. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. Start off by launching open your GoWish application from the app drawer. Also, make sure to log into your account. After signing in, tap on the menu button at the top right hand corner from the main home page. Now, tap on the account option from the list. Scroll all the way down until you see this Make Account Private option, and if you're sure you'd like to make your account private, tap on the toggle button right next to it. Once you make your account private, only friends will be able to see your profile. So once you toggle this button on, you have successfully made your GoWish account private. So that's how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.